Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Google Meet on your PC the easy way, so you can open it just like an app without needing your browser every time. Let's get started. First, open your browser, preferably Google Chrome, and go to meet.google.com. Once the page loads, you should see the regular Google Meet interface, just like when you start or join a meeting. Now, sometimes you might not see the install icon at the top right corner of the screen. Don't worry, I'll show you another simple way to create your own Google Meet shortcut that works exactly like the app. Go to the three dots at the top right corner of your Chrome browser, click on it, then hover over Save and Share, and select Create Shortcut. If you don't see Save and Share, you can go to More Tools and then choose Create Shortcut. A pop-up window will appear asking for the shortcut. Name, you can leave it as Google Meet or rename it if you like. Now, make sure you check the box that says Open as Window. This step is very important because it makes Google Meet open in its own clean window, just like a real desktop app. Once you've done that, click Create. Now go to your desktop or Start menu and you'll see a Google Meet icon right there. Click on it and Google Meet will open instantly in its own separate window. No browser tabs, no clutter, just a clean app-like interface for your meetings. And that's it. You've just installed Google Meet on your PC using a quick shortcut method. You can now pin it to your taskbar for easy access anytime you want to start or join a meeting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.